There's one brutal sales mistake that every business owner is guilty of, and it costs you tens, if not hundreds of thousands every single year. And I'm going to teach it to you in under 7 minutes. Listen carefully. This will add a lot of profit to your bottom line and help you speed up your sales cycles. Do not skip this video. The big mistake is this: you are not selling your product or service. You are actually selling your market against all the other options that they're currently looking at right now. The first thing that you have to define is the options that are in the marketplace. I want you to work through this with me. What are the top 3 competitors of yours, products and services, that your market is already looking at? The second phase is to identify their flaws. I want you to literally list those flaws out. That might be how they do something, how they achieve something, the materials that they use, the way that they approach their service, the way that they do their marketing, the way that they do their sales. Then, last but not least, I want you to focus on the enhancements. The enhancements are the things that you do better. Your enhancements are the things that you do better than your competitors. One great piece of content for you is our competitors will tell you, you need to do this. We disagree. Here's how we do things differently. You might find that your competitors do a particular service in a roundabout way that is a common industry trend that you disagree with. And you do things completely differently. Our competitors do this, we do this. Here's why. Here's how it benefits you more. What you're looking to do here is actually compete and outmaneuver, or what we call in marketing, outposition the flaws that are associated with your biggest competitors. So for example, if you're competing against a big conglomerate and one of your flaws that you've identified is that you're just a number inside a cog. Whereas when you come to work with us, we're a smaller boutique family-owned business that really deeply care and pay attention to your individual needs, and you're not just boxed into a corner. Notice the contrast where I'm playing into individuality, personalization, and connection that might be missing from somebody bigger. So the real exercise is to define who are the top 3 options that your market are looking at, listening to, and observing alongside you. Identify their flaws in everything from how they market, how they sell, to how they deliver their services, and then position your enhancements against those and tell people why it's better, and then invite them to take action. You can brag about how good you are, you can use your social proof, but the most important question that you need to answer is, what were you trying before, or what were you looking at before? And here is what we do better. Here is how we do it better. You can do that through the marketing of any social proof or case study, simply asking those clients, what did you try before and why did it fail? That again is an example of looking at an option, looking at a flaw, and why were we a better option? What did we do differently? That is an enhancement. Remember that core lesson every single time you go to sell, is that you're not just telling people what you do, how you can help them. You need to compete and market strategically against the options that are currently bombarding them on social media, bombarding them on billboards, bombarding them in adverts, and literally position you, your service, and everything that you do as uniquely different, and identify the core flaws in every other competitor and position yourself against them. That's how you win at sales. That's how you drive better marketing. That's how you get cheaper leads. That's how you get faster sales. And that's how you bank more profit and beat your competitors. If you love growing your business, make sure you stay for this next video. It's super insightful and will 100% add a zero to your bottom line, your freedom, and your authority and reputation inside the industry. Go and check it out.